the chat box. Are you interested to learn about how to invest the stock market and mutual fund? How to invest properly? Type the word yes if you are interested. Okay? Sige nga, pakitype nga dyan if you are interested. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Now ito guys, I'll give you an example ha. Okay. Now, kilala nyo si BDO. Okay, kilala natin si BDO, the biggest bank in the Philippines. Okay, it's owned by the Henry C. and family. Okay, so pero pag pumunta ka sa website ni BDO or pumunta ka sa branch at magtanong ka doon magkano ang interest sa time deposit at malalaman mo doon na kahit milyon-milyon na ang nilagay mo, less than 1% ang interest per year. Okay? So kung maging depositor ka, at least alam mo magkano ang interest, less than 1%. Now, meron palang ibang option. Sa BDO pa rin, pero you will invest in the shares of BDO. Okay? Hindi ka pupunta sa BDO na branch, pupunta ka sa stock market. Okay? So kailangan malaman natin ano yung stock market, how to get into stock market. Kasi pag nandun ka na sa stock market or kahit sa mutual funds pa lang, okay? Sa stock market and sa mutual funds, okay? You will learn and understand how to become a part owner of BDO because you will invest in the shares of BDO. And sabi dyan, for the past 2 years, tumubo na yung shares up to 58%. Ano po ibig sabihin yan? Kung nag-invest ka sa shares ng BDO last 2020 March, 2 years after, kumita na ng 58% ang value ng investment mo. Okay? So to understand further, then you need to enroll and join IMG to attend our financial coaching classes. Another example, okay? Kilala ba natin si Ayala? Ayala Corporation na isa sa mga napakalaking company at napakalumang company, one of the oldest and biggest businesses in the country, in the Philippines and even in Southeast Asia, Ayala Corporation. Now, si Ayala Corporation, meron silang business na energy or electric company or energy business. Yan po ay ASEN, okay? And si ASEN, 2 years ago, February, the share price is 2 pesos. Okay, 2 pesos, ibig sabihin, pag meron kang 1,000, you will have 500 shares. Di ba? Kung meron kang 10,000, you have 5,000 shares. That was 2 years ago. This year, February, 9 pesos na po per share. So yung binili mo 2 years ago, 2 pesos, naging more than times 4 na yan. 400%, di ba? Times 4. February 2022. And this year, at the end of this year, sabi ni BPI Trade, magiging 14 pesos yan. Question, kailangan mo bang maging expert para maging investor? The answer is no. Mag-join ka lang sa IMG, we will guide you to become an investor. Okay? Another example, kilala nyo ba si Converge? Converge is one of the newest bagong company in the Philippines that offer fiber internet connectivity. Okay? Is one of the new players no sa communication, telecommunication dito sa Pilipinas, the telecommunication industry. Now si Converge this year, February 2022, okay? 28 pesos per share, okay? So, pero ang projection, sabi ni BPI, ang projection at the end of the year magiging 44%. Anong ibig sabihin? 44 pesos. Anong ibig sabihin? More than 50% po ang tubo this year. So how do you become a part owner of Converge? Kailangan bang mayaman ka? No. Kailangan lang educated ka. Become an educated investor. And to join, when you join IMG, you will be surrounded with people who are educated so that we can guide you on how to invest and grow your savings through the stock market and through the mutual fund. So ano yung tamang gawin? Enroll and attend our classes. Kasi especially itong mutual fund, hindi lang isa, dalawa companies that you can invest in. One mutual fund can help you invest sa maraming companies. kahit isang mutual fund account lang. Okay?